Now, as Nagin, everyone knows that you have all the supernatural powers in the world. But if Ada had a supernatural power, what would she do first?
Um, of course, get invisible when I want to, and do a lot of things being invisible. So yeah, I would like to.
Okay. And if you were like, in India, like Nagin is now like the hit show when it comes to supernatural, and abroad it was like Twilight. So if you had to play the part of any character in Twilight, which one would you choose?
See, I'm very happy being the Nagin,
Okay.
and very happy being now the Nagins are the superhero. So the new superheroes are Nagin. So I'm very happy that I'm being myself, Nagin. So we are the new. I think now people will say कि हमें ये नागिन बननी है या वो नागिन. So I don't want to do something which someone has already done. Instead, I would want to do something where somebody else would want to play Nagin. So I think I would just want to be where I am and be myself.
Do you fantasize being romanced by a vampire or a werewolf?
I mean,
if Nagins could romance, then I'm sure they could. Who would you like as a partner?
basically, I am crazy, but not as crazy to romance a vampire and. I mean, I think vampire तो कभी भी मतलब I think they bite and they can kill, but I think see Nagins are so courageous that वो लोग अगर नेवले से भी romance कर सकते हैं as you saw me doing, so I think werewolf and vampire उनके सामने कुछ नहीं है. So probably I can go to that extent to romance either of them, or या तो vampire या तो werewolf, and they are nobody. We can just romance anybody in this world.
Okay, alright. Okay. Which Hollywood or Bollywood actor you would like to see as an Ichhadhari Nag? You think would make a really hot and sexy Ichhadhari Nag?
I think the one who just got the Oscar, I think Leonardo DiCaprio. उसने I think सब कुछ कर चुका है.
Okay.
ये करना बाकी है.
Okay.
So I think
भालू के बाद Revenant में.
Yes, of course, he will definitely be a very good Ichhadhari Nag. And I think he will get an Oscar for that also.
Okay. Right. And what is the one thing you love about Shesha and hate about Shesha?
One thing I love about Shesha is she's very outspoken. जो मन में आता है बोल देती है. Very courageous, very brave. मतलब she's like I can do anything. She's कहते हैं ना very impulsive also, which I hate about her. She's very impulsive. But what I really love कि जो उसको करना है वो करती ही है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. She's not scared of anybody in this world, and she's just very courageous and very brave and very outspoken and not emotional again, which I don't like about her. So so there are a lot of things with Shesha and Ada, they are not similar at all. But what I like about Shesha is that she's very brave, very courageous, very outspoken. जो मन में आता है बोल देती है. So there's this comic element also. So as a whole, I love the aggression in Shesha. I love her overall, and the madness in her makes me mad. So overall the whole shades that I got to play as Shesha, from being a possessive sister to being a obsessive lover, जो shades मुझे करने मिले हैं as Shesha, I think I've fallen in love with the character, and I hope I'm doing justice to it also. And as I said, what I don't like about Shesha is that अपनी sister से धोखा कर रही है, but then ठीक है, if she's in love, she's in love, and as I said, she's an extremist. So yeah.
Okay. According to you, who is hotter, Shivanya or Shesha?
I think both are hot Nagins. जैसे सब कहते हैं hot and sexy Nagin. तो I think Shivanya and Shesha, क्योंकि हम दोनों बहनें हैं, तो हम दोनों को हक बनता है कि हम दोनों ही hot and sexy हो. And वो gold में खूबसूरत लगती है as सुनहरी नागिन, और मैं काली में रखती हूँ खूबसूरत as काली नागिन. So I think we both are hot and sexy, and the new Nagins.
So, like Shesha is defined by black, black outfit and a hot pink lips. But what are the two colors that describe Ada?
The two colors that describe Ada would be white and red. I like. It's very nice and soft color. So it depends on my mood. मैं क्या पहनूं क्या नहीं. But usually you will see me wearing black because I look thin in that. So I usually wear black a lot. because of course it makes me look thin, but yeah, I like black too. So yeah, I can say black, white and red describes me a lot. Love is red, white is peace for me. So depending on my mood, what I wear. If I go wild, then I would wear black.
One hidden talent that you have that people don't know.
I have learned belly dancing and I really like doing that. So when I'm alone and nobody's around, I kind of do that.
Okay. If a guy has to sweep you off your feet on the first date, what should he do?
Nobody can sweep me off on the first date. It's very difficult to sweep me off. I'm kind of very difficult.
Okay. So what are the must-have qualities in your man?
Actually, after so many experiences in life, bad experiences in life, I've learned my lesson. So now I never judge a person or in one or two meetings, because I obviously know that they are not being themselves. So basically, if someone tries to be over friendly and over sweet with me, I know that this person is not right, so I just kind of go away. So this is something that the person shouldn't have is on my list, not what the person should have. So yeah, it's kind of complicated.
Okay. Who is your 3 a.m. friend in the industry?
My 3 a.m. friend, nobody in the industry, yeah. Nobody. It's all my very close friends are all outside industry. So what friends you make in school and colleges and in your colony probably are the truest friends that you ever get. So I think people who are outside industry, I have a lot of them. I call them. So you might not know them, so I don't want to name them.
Okay. Who is it one celebrity you follow on Instagram very religiously?
I think Priyanka Chopra. I really follow her. Salman Khan. I'm a huge fan. And John Abraham. I'm a huge fan of him too.